Deciding which exchange to use can be a difficult task. Luckily, CoinScan is here to study the best and the worst out there, and this time we're focusing on DexTrade. Although not overly well known, the site offers a range of trading options for both beginner and professional traders. But is it worth using over other more recognised exchanges? Join us as we find out. Created in 2018, DexTrade has since risen to become a top 50 exchange despite others gaining more fanfare. Based in Belize and despite not being KYC registered nor applying proof of reserves, the exchange places a strong emphasis on security in other ways, such as holding certificates from SEX Expert and GDPR. The key members of the DexTrade team are Marilyn Miller, co-founder and business development manager, Saqib Raj, sales manager, and Alex Krasinov, listing agent. Together, these individuals bring a wealth of experience and expertise to the platform, working to ensure its smooth operation and continued growth. Marilyn Miller is responsible for overseeing business development and strategy, while Saqib Raj manages sales and customer relationships. Alex Krasinov, as the listing agent, is responsible for working with new crypto projects to bring them to the exchange. DexTrade offers 84 coins and 197 trading pairs to choose from, which is not exactly mind-blowing. That said, at the time of recording the video, the 24-hour volume was over 116 million, and the most active trading pair being Bitcoin USD at over 39 million, so people clearly like it. The exchange has over 300,000 users worldwide and is available in most countries, except for the United States, when are they ever, as well as standard FCA limited countries. DexTrade also differentiates itself from other exchanges by also offering staking for Quantum, which is a relatively rare feature. Staking also allows users to earn rewards for holding and supporting the network of a particular cryptocurrency, and it is currently being offered in beta on the platform. The site offers a range of services and features that are typical of cryptocurrency exchanges, as well as its unique offerings that set it apart from its competitors. These include free coins, P2E games, and trading tournaments where users can earn coins and participate in dividend distribution. It also offers an IEO launch platform and its own native coin, DexTrade Coin, DXC, which gives holders benefits such as preferential access to new listings and voting rights. Overall, DexTrade is a well-regarded cryptocurrency exchange that offers a range of trading options, unique features, and a focus on security. The team at DexTrade aims to make the platform accessible and user-friendly for all levels of traders, from beginners to experienced investors, and for new crypto projects looking to list on the exchange. To achieve this goal, they offer a demo trading service and are in the process of developing sections on margin trading, futures and derivatives, as well as a training section. DexTrade also offers a mobile application that can be easily downloaded from their website, as well as from the Google Play and App Store. The platform is designed with a standard template, making it easy for customers to navigate and find the information they need. Furthermore, DexTrade provides information and resources for traders who are interested in learning about how to trade various financial instruments such as stocks, currencies, commodities, and more. The platform offers a range of industry and product news to keep traders fully informed about the latest developments in the crypto world. These include information about the best listings, tactics, and other useful information that can help traders make informed decisions about their trades. Projects that want their coins to be listed on the platform also have the option to choose from 3 different listing packages: Basic, Optimal, and Professional. The Optimal package includes all the benefits of the Basic package, as well as fee-free accounts for market makers for 3 months, 3 trading pairs, access to an IEO launchpad, airdrops, and trading competitions. The Professional package includes all the benefits of the Optimal package, as well as volume support and liquidity services. However, one major downfall of DexTrade in general is its lack of fiat depositing. As a result, users must first obtain cryptocurrency through separate means, such as by purchasing it on a different exchange or through a peer-to-peer transaction, which is a major downside. DexTrade, like many cryptocurrency exchanges, charges fees for trading, depositing, and withdrawing. The trading fees on the platform are structured as follows. Makers are charged 0.1%, while takers pay 0.2%. These fees are typical for the industry and help to cover the costs associated with operating the exchange. Some exchanges may have low trading fees but compensate for it with high withdrawal fees. However, DexTrade has both, charging a withdrawal fee of 0.0005 BTC for Bitcoin withdrawals, which is slightly lower than the global industry average of 0.00053 BTC per withdrawal. This makes DexTrade an attractive choice for traders looking to minimize such fees, although deposits and withdrawal fees depend on the chosen asset and are calculated by the formula, fixed fee plus a percentage of the amount. DexTrade is committed to helping its users protect their funds and has implemented a number of measures to ensure security. All activities on the platform are protected by two-factor authentication, and the site also provides cold storage for user wallet. Deposits and withdrawals are protected by an advanced encryption system, and the platform also offers a 24/7 customer support team for any issues that do arise. However, among the myriad of features they offer, KYC is not one of them. The absence of KYC does not necessarily indicate it's less secure, rather it has an ongoing bounty program that rewards users who discover and report any vulnerabilities in the platform. Overall, the security seems pretty robust, enough for purpose. The multilingual customer support team is available 24/7 to assist users in almost all languages, but they can only be reached through email or through the website, and it can take a while to get a response. There's no way to contact support by phone because apparently DeFi doesn't like phones. Middle marks here for the site. DexTrade is one of the few exchanges with a proven track record of protecting against hacks and fraudulent activity, which is no easy feat in the space. Despite not issuing proof of reserves or requiring KYC registration, DexTrade has also managed to maintain a secure and trustworthy reputation. Additionally, as mentioned, the platform is certified by CEX Expert and GDPR, demonstrating its commitments to implementing robust security protocols and protecting the data of its clients. The exchange also hasn't been involved in any major scandal or controversy, which is a major plus. Simply put, DexTrade is a reliable and high-quality platform for traders of all levels and experience, despite not having the typical security measures in place. It offers a wide range of trading pairs, with the development team consistently working to add more coins. Unlike some of its rivals, users can also test their skills and try out the platform with DexTrade's demo trading account, which is a nice touch. In addition, they can apply for free crypto and participate in games to earn even more cryptocurrency. These features provide users with a chance to learn about trading and interact with cryptocurrencies in a low-risk environment. Overall, DexTrade appears to be a legitimate and safe exchange, based on its track record of having no hacks and a strong user base. Whilst its customer service could do with sprucing up, it's about average in terms of what exchanges offer, although the lack of crypto depositing does make it hard to recommend above others. I'm Stuart, aka The Wordsmith, on behalf of CoinScan.